Hi and welcome to Mataba News Reports. Ket Matala's alleged lava Brigadier Richard Macheng fired. A senior South African Police Service SAPS officer, Brigadier Richard Macheng, has officially been dismissed after an internal disciplinary process found her guilty of several serious misconduct charges. Richard Macheng previously acknowledged that she has been involved in a relationship with the alleged underworld figure Vusimuzi Ket Matlala. Acting National Commissioner Lieutenant General Puleng Timpane confirmed that the disciplinary proceedings have now concluded, resulting in Richard's dismissal from police service. The disciplinary panel found her guilty of multiple offences, including accepting unlawful benefits, money laundering, dishonesty, and acting against the interest of SAPS by alleged warning Matlala and sharing confidential information. She was also found to have provided Matlala with a list containing details of SAPS members, allegedly with the intention of securing financial benefits. Authorities said her conduct undermined the integrity and administration of police service. Lieutenant General Timpane said the decision demonstrated SAPS commitment to rooting out corruption and reinforced that any collaboration with the criminal elements will not be tolerated. Richard Macheng is among 12 police officers whose names has been linked to controversial 360 million rand Medicare 24 SAPS tender investigation. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this story. I'll see you again on the next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.